Caught in your endless loop, where words twist and truths are ruse. You deflect, deny, and blame, leaving me lost in your game. You say I'm too sensitive every time you yell and shit.
If you think survivor music is just for those abused behind closed doors, think again. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and I write and create music about pathological abuse, not just in relationships, but in families, in workplaces, and across society. Narcissistic parents, sadistic bosses, political sociopaths. Pathological abusers are people who deliberately harm others to dominate, control, and exploit for their own gain. I don't write about someone who turned dark in hard times. I write about the darkness they create and the wreckage it leaves behind. Survivor music reveals their tactics, the manipulation, the gaslighting, the control. This music is for those who have survived and those who will. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and you're listening to Survivor Music.
I'm caught in your endless loop, where words twist and truths are ruse. You deflect, deny, and blame, leaving me lost in your game. You say I'm too sensitive.
Did you know that circular conversations aren't just confusing? They're designed to wear you down. Pathological abusers repeat, deflect, and loop until your mind shuts down from the overload, leaving you too distorted to defend yourself. My song Circular Conversations reveal how narcissists, sociopaths, and psychopaths use this tactic, often paired with word salad, to simulate dialogue but destroy meaning. It's not a conversation. It's a psychological trap designed to overwhelm and disarm. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and this is Survivor Music.
Caught in your endless loop, where words twist and truths are ruse. You deflect, deny, and blame, leaving me lost in your game. You say I'm too sensitive every time you yell and shift. Promises you always break, gaslight me till I feel fake. In your web I lose my ground, spinning lies that keep me bound. Every time I speak my mind, you straight over hit rewind. Circular conversations, spinning me around in vain. You control and keep me chained in your maze of accusations. I'm trapped in this manipulation. Circular conversations, you twist the truth, I lose my way. In your grip I go astray. Minimize the pain you cause, shift the blame and change the laws. Say I overreact each time, while you bury me in lies. Projection, your favorite play, accuse me of your own way. Word salad and mixed up lines, confuse me till I toe the line. In your web I lose my ground, spinning lies that keep me bound. Every time I speak my mind, you start over, hit rewind. Circular conversations, spinning me around in vain. You control and keep me chained in your maze of accusations. I'm trapped in this manipulation. Circular conversations, you twist the truth, I lose my way. In your grip I go astray. Deflection, your art of war. Deny the truth and still want more. Your words are poison, sharp and deep, cutting me until I weep. Every time I try to break free, you pull me back, confusing me. In your game I'm just a pawn, in your shadow I'm withdrawn. Circular conversations, spinning me around in vain. You control and keep me chained in your maze of accusations. I'm trapped in this manipulation. Circular conversations, you twist the truth, I lose my way. In your grip I go astray. Round and round, no end in sight. In your grasp I lose the fight. Circular conversations spin in your web, I can't win.
Imagine watching someone you love disappear behind a mask you can't name, sensing something's wrong, but not knowing how to reach them. Pathological abusers isolate their victims through fear, obligation, and guilt. So even when a lifeline is offered, it often goes unseen or untouched. My song Lifeline reveals how narcissists, sociopaths, and psychopaths build invisible prisons, and how survivors, when they reach their moment of clarity, can still find the strength to grab hold of the one tethered thread that was there all along. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and this is Survivor Music.
In this beckon, sang his praise, a charming mask, perfect maze. My sister was, she flew alive, but I was lost, thought I was fine. Each time it slipped, I called her name. She reached for me through all the shame, but he pulled me back, a beautiful cycle to be. In the stormy seas, I couldn't flee. Lifeline, drifting through the storm, a thread of hope, worn and torn. I reach for you, but slip away. In his grasp, forced to stay. Lifeline, your anchor strong, hoping to save me all along. But his pull was fierce, I couldn't see. A lifeline's attempt to rescue me. Negative dissonance, trauma bound. In his cold, I felt I drowned. Fear of leaving, fear to stay. Obligations led me astray. Guilt of fixing, guilt of blame. Every time it felt the same. She saw the flags but didn't shout. Afraid he'd cut that lifeline out. Lifeline drifting through the storm, a thread of hope, worn and torn. I reach for you, but slip away. In his grasp, forced to stay. Lifeline, your anchor strong, hoping to save me all along. But his pull was fierce, I couldn't see. A lifeline's attempt to rescue me. Years went by, the line still there, worn and frayed from my despair. I'd search for it, then let it go, pulled back down the undertow. But at rock bottom, I found my fight, swam towards the distant light. With all my strength, I held on tight to the lifeline through the night. Lifeline drifting through the storm, a thread of hope, worn and torn. I reach for you, but slip away. In his grasp, forced to stay. Lifeline, your anchor strong, hoping to save me all along. But his pull was fierce, I couldn't see. A lifeline's attempt to rescue me. Years went by, broke free from the deep, held your lifeline through my sleep. Though he tugged, I held on tight. Your lifeline brought me to the light. Lifeline, you were always there, through the storm, through waters rare. Now I see, and now I know, your lifeline never let me go.
Did you know that submission isn't weakness, it's survival? Pathological abusers want their victims to believe they were too naive, too fragile, too broken to be anything else. But the truth is, survivors live through fear, obligation, and guilt every day, and it takes strength most people can't even imagine. My song, Cracks of Gold, is a tribute to that strength. The scars may show, like fractures in restored pottery, but survivors should flaunt them. Like gold and kintsugi, they're not signs of shame, but of power, of resilience, of a strength that was never truly lost. I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen, and this is Survivor Music.
He didn't just break me, no, he shattered my soul. Piece by piece I fell till I wasn't whole. He left me to be discarded, to to be lost in shame. But I gather my fragments, I don't hide my pain. Most try to glue over the cracks, hide them away. What used to be beautiful has now faded to gray. But I'm not ashamed of the cracks in my skin, for in those lines of gold my true strength begins. I won't hide away, I won't bow my head. I flaunt my golden scars where I've bled. He may have shattered me, but I rebuilt with grace. And the gold in my cracks, and now I set my face. Cracks my heroes will ever show, but gold from my kintsugi heart will always glow. It wasn't his breaking that made me strong, I was strong all along, even when things went wrong. Enduring the pain, the darkness, the night, I poured gold in my wounds, turned them into light. They say to forget, to keep it inside, but I won't let his sins and shadows hide. I'm not what I was, I'm something more, a mosaic of strength, the soul restored. I won't hide away, I won't bow my head. I flaunt my golden scars where I've bled. He may have shattered me, but I rebuilt with grace. And the gold in my cracks, and now I set my face. Cracks my hands will ever show, but gold from my kintsugi heart will always glow. In a dark room I will not stay, I'm a masterpiece on full display. My broken parts, they shine so bright. In every fracture there's pure gold light. I won't hide away, I won't bow my head. I flaunt my golden scars where I've bled. He may have shattered me, but I rebuilt with grace. And the gold in my cracks, and now I set my face. Cracks my hands will ever show, but gold from me, my kintsugi heart will always glow. He didn't break me, no, he didn't win. For in every crack my new life begins. A kintsugi heart, strong and bold. I'm not just broken, I'm cracks of gold.
I'm Cindy Ann Pedersen. You're listening to Survivor Music on We Resist Radio.
You've been listening to Survivor Music with Cindy Ann Pedersen, a joint production with WeResistRadio.com. This SongPod series explores volumes 1 through 3 of Cindy's Survivor Music collection. If you'd like to know more about Cindy Ann Pedersen's work, please go to WeResistRadio.com and click on her featured artist link there. We'll see you next time for Volume 1, Episode 4 of Survivor Music with Cindy Ann Pedersen.